Hola, ¿cómo estás? In this video you are gonna learn some different sounds in Spanish you need to know. Let's learn them. The vowels are very different in Spanish. They only have a sound and they never change. Pay attention. A, E, I, O, U. There is an animal that has in Spanish all the vowels together. Murciélago. Murciélago. A, E, I, O, U. Let's review now the alphabet in Spanish. A, B, C. In Latin America, you are gonna notice they say C, but in Spanish, we say C. C, C. Both are correct. So, good news! You can choose. You are free. C o C. D, E, F, G, H. La H doesn't sound in Spanish. For example, brother, hermano. We don't say hermano. Hermano. I, J. It is a strong letter. J, K. L, M, N, ñ. La ñ es una letra española. It is a Spanish letter. Ñ. O, P, Q, R. This is the more difficult one. R. Look at my tongue. I put my tongue behind my teeth and I try to make it vibrate. R. R. I need to close my mouth a little bit. R. It is the most difficult one. You can practice day by day. Someday you will be able to do that. And if you can do that, congratulations, because it's super difficult. So, R, S, T, U, V, V, doble, X, Y, Z. You can also say Z, Z, Z in Spain, Z, Latin America. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. ¡Hasta luego!